Hey guys, Migs here, and as you guys can tell from what you guys just watched, today we're going to be going riding. So today, we're going to be going to a new riding spot, and actually Dylan is going to be coming with me. You guys know who he is. And if I sound a little bit sick, it's because I am a little bit sick. I have a little cold going on. But today we're going to be taking the DRZ and the Kawasaki. The DRZ hasn't been started in probably about 3 months. I just put gas in it for the first time since then, so we're gonna do a cold start on that, make sure it's still running right, and then the tires probably need to be, aired up. But the Kawasaki's all good to go.
What's up, boys?
I'm gonna let Dylan do the cold start here. Let me turn on the gas.
Yeah, please do that. That would be helpful.
Yep, fuel filter is flowing. Yeah, it's been so long that the kickstand doesn't even work anymore.
Sick. Wow, I haven't kicked over a bike in literally ages. This is a joy.
Oh yeah, I need to warm up that.
No way. She burns. Gotta warm up, right?
Alright, so we'll just let that warm up a little bit. And then I'll probably fix that kickstand quick and tighten down these pegs because they are not very stable. Then I need to air up the front tire as well. But then we will be on our way. So the DRZ is all good to go right now. Front tire's aired up. Pegs are stable. Also put some air in the back tire, along with topping off some of the oil. We'll catch you guys at the new riding spot. Alrighty guys, so we just made it to the spot, but unfortunately I wasn't able to find my GoPro mount, so we're not gonna be able to run a GoPro, which is fine. We'll just get some camera shots and third-person shots or whatever, but I really wish I was able to show you guys everything inside of here, because in the middle there's like a bunch of drop-offs and stuff, and there's a straightaway that goes down the whole side, and there's even like a little mud pit over there. So I'm gonna try and capture whatever we can, but let's have some fun.
So unfortunately the KLX has blown, so we're just gonna leave her here. Meg's gonna take the DRZ back. I'm gonna be walking back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe we'll do an engine swap on the KLX. Say peace out, Migs.
Peace out.
And we'll catch you all in the next one. Peace. Roll the intro.
Paint fell off. Yeah, I never ridden this in the sand before, so.
Rip. Back to work again every time you ride. Oh my god, this kid. The worst of luck with chains. The second time just now, that really messy camera angle that you saw when he popped off the chain again. Popped off the front sprocket and we didn't realize it. So, Migs, what are we about to try and figure out?
How to get it on the front sprocket.
So, my idea is we're gonna take a stick, we're gonna shove it right there, right in between where the chain goes to the sprocket. We're gonna yank that bastard off, and I don't know where we go from there.
Yeah, because it's gonna be so hard to get it on the front sprocket with this cover on.
But yeah, wish us luck. Here we go. What's his idea? He's gonna try and put it in 5th gear and you can wail on it, hope the front chain catches. My luck. Roll it as you do it. Roll the bike as you wail on it. God, that scared the shit out of me. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright, so after I showed my geniusness, I took two skinny sticks, shoved them in there, got the chain back on, and yeah.
We're back in business.
We're back in business. Time to grip it and rip it and hope that it doesn't shred the chain.
No pop in the clutch anymore.
Yeah, no pop in the clutch, Migs. Here we go. Migs is about to shit himself or destroy this bike. Oh! Chain again.
Chain fell off.
The chain snapped in half.
Yep. Bike can't handle me. I'm too nicey with it. Yeah, so there's one end. I mean, we used a stick to save us last time. Could we create our own stick master? Like, could we do that?
I'm gonna have to go no.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I don't, wait, it looks like you are missing a little bit of your chain there as well. And that was wrapped up.
I think it's wrapped up.
Yeah, she's wrapped. She's done. That's not happening.
Alrighty guys, so it is the next day from the last clip that you guys just watched. And obviously riding yesterday didn't quite go as planned. The Kawasaki's chain completely snapped in half. I mean, ever since I bought that bike, I've always had an issue with it, with the chain falling off, but it's never snapped on me. So I'm gonna have to either maybe get new sprockets and a whole new chain so we don't have to deal with that issue anymore. But we'll deal with that another time. But I wish I was able to record more of that riding spot because there is honestly like a lot of really cool places and I do really want to go back there. So I definitely got to try and find my GoPro mount because I wish I had the GoPro yesterday because the cameras were dying because it was so cold. But we did try and record as much as possible. So since this video is a little bit short, as you guys can see, I have the RM next to me. The RM has never been in the new shop. But in like 20 or something days, this thing is going to be going to the track, and I'll explain to you guys why 20 or something days is so specific once that time comes. So just to add on to the video a little bit, I just want to go ahead and do the necessities, little maintenance things on the RM, so we know that it'll be good to go for the track. So I want to go ahead and swap out the transmission fluid, and then I also want to top off the brake fluid, because I haven't done that since I built the bike. But the transmission fluid change hasn't happened since like last riding season, so need to do that. Hopefully there aren't any metal shavings in there, because ever since I built this thing, I've had some metal shavings in there, I've had some water in there, and plus the new clutch is in there, so some stuff might have worn off of that as well. But let's just see how that looks. So here's a closer look at the fluid, and it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I don't see any metal shavings coming out of it, so I'm just gonna let that drain, and then we'll put in the fresh fluid. And also I would have ran it and got the engine warm before doing this, but it is currently very early in the morning and I don't want to get the neighbors angry because this thing is loud. So the oil is completely done draining and it looks pretty good, to be honest. I thought it was going to look way worse, but now I'm going to put back on the drain plug, snug it up, and we'll put in the new transmission fluid, then move on to the brake fluid. The 700 milliliters of oil are now in. So now just tighten down the cap. And now check our brake fluid. Now this is probably going to be pretty low, I imagine. Yeah, it's almost at the bottom, so I better fill that up. Then for the front brakes, right here at the window, I feel like I can see it right at the bottom of it. So I'll take off the cap on this as well and put in .4 brake fluid on both of them. Oh. Okay, it's actually not bad in there. I guess it was above the window, that's why I couldn't see any. Alright, so that's good. Now we just have a peace of mind that my front brakes won't go out. So I'll put this back on now. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to be ending the video here. The RM is good to go for the track. So just need those small minor things just to make sure that we won't break down while we're there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wish I was able to record more riding yesterday, but things happen. Follow my social medias, they will be on the outro of this video. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel. tread looks better.